Hello and welcome to MG Bibs Barrel, my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow my social media. It's writing over there, and of course subscribe my YouTube channel. And this one picture is our family quality time for Bona Pascua. Happy Easter in English. Hello everyone, good morning, good evening in Philippines. We are here. We are here. I'm gonna doing a new content over here. So today's video is gonna be speaking English, and welcome to my new vlog of MG Bibs. So we are here in the Bosco, means in the mountain, for our Holy Week here for my husband family. We quality time here on my husband family. And look what we are here. We have a cat. Look, this is the cat. Ah, we have a cat over here. Look, this is a cat here. Very cute. Look, and so I'm gonna be doing a new video. I asked a permission for my brother-in-laws here, and this one is a good views like a for house vacation. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the view. But look, the cat getting my the cat is getting my string for my cell phone. So let's go around. I'm gonna show you here, and I asked already permission to do vlog, but I'm not doing a mention on this area because this is a private house and not possible to do a mention. But we are here in the mountain, and a lot of olive here. Toscana is a lot of olive, and I love olive. In Italiano, olive. Okay. Siamo al bosco, which is in English is we are here in the mountain. A lot of greens color, and look, I'll show you around. And it's a beautiful day. The cat is coming with me again and again. So look what we are here. But I'm gonna show you. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna be put it back my camera at the back. So let's go. Look what we are here. Look, this is an olive. A lot of olive here. And look, the cat over here. And you can hear also the sounds of the birds. And this is olive trees. And olive trees, and the view over here, it's so nice. And it's another town over there that we've been there. Another town. The name of the town is Massa Maritimo. And there you go. And here a lot of trees and the flower. There is also what's this one? Small orange. Oh, we have a lemon also. Look, we have a lemon. This is the house we visiting and going around. Look, the trees over here. Look, the plants over there. And let's go around. So now we're gonna be hiking. We're gonna be hiking over here, and look, it's a beautiful view. As you can see, my husband busy for my baby. Me is vlogging. A lot of olive trees, and around is a green color in the mountain. Good view. And yeah, now we're gonna walking. Looks beautiful.
Ciccio, chi c'è? Stanco adesso, passeggiato.
Si è andato in collina, si è andato.
C'è tutta la strada piena di sassi, dove ha fatto tutto così.
Tutto così,
Cosa?
Eh?
La strada così è un po' piena di sassi, con passeggino.
Sì.
Ma non era preoccupato? No, per niente. Ehi!
And guys, so this is the swimming pool on this area that we spend quality time for my family. So look, it's a beautiful view and very relaxing over here. So this is like a private house, like agriturismo private house. So yeah, we're walking. Look, a lot of olives. I love olives. Huh? Oh, see. Super. My videographer husband, where? Look, it's so nice. Look around here. A lot of olives. Look. Okay. Then, get a piano. We gotta going walking. It's a beautiful view. Look the view over here. Maybe there is a pig over here. Look, we are in the Bosco. We are in the Bosco. Hiking. That's my sister-in-law, my husband. We are in the Bosco. Let's go. Look guys, we have a small olive here. Look. So many olive. Wow. The color of the sky is sky blue. Ooh. Che bello!
No, dai!
Yeah!
Quando trovano qualcosa che gli piace, sollevano il manto erboso e vanno a cercare delle bacche, delle cipolline qua sotto, tutto sollevato. Bello qua.
Guarda, so many cute olives. And the cat is always following. We haven't. Yeah, we can do a rifugio. Facciamo un rifugio here. Wow, bello. Guarda guys. I love mountain. Look. Ah. Another cat over here. Look. So we are walking over here. We are visiting a small olives. The plant here. A lot of olives here in Toscana. So I love olives. Arriba. So possible olive can also possible use for la torta, di salata. poi sulla torta, cake, for aperitivo in italiano.
Siamo persi. Un passeggino?
Ah, è vero, dobbiamo riprendere il passeggino, ricordati.
Thanks for watching and God bless you, and thank you also for the supporting me, and don't forget to follow my social media there, that it's writing there, and of course, and see you on my next episode vlog. Thank you.